Jai Hind everyone. Today I want to ask a question. What is the biggest identity of a soldier? His uniform, his bravery, or his sacrifice? Imagine entering the enemy's world, living among terrorists, risking your life every single day, all just to protect your country. An officer of the Indian Army collected intelligence right from under the enemy's nose. He didn't care about his life and he martyred during saving his team members. This is the real story of Major Mohit Sharma, one of the bravest officers of the Indian Army, a man whose courage and sacrifice will never be forgotten. Major Mohit Sharma was born on 13 January 1978 in Rohtak, Haryana. From a young age, he was disciplined, determined, and deeply inspired by the Indian Army. Like many young Indians, he dreamed of wearing the uniform and serving the nation. To achieve that dream, he cleared the entrance for the prestigious National Defense Academy, where future officers of the Indian Armed Forces are trained. His journey toward becoming a soldier had officially begun. After completing his training, Major Mohit Sharma was commissioned into the 5 Madras Regiment, but he wanted to push his limits even further. He volunteered for one of the toughest and most elite force in the Indian Army, the Para Special Forces. The training was extremely difficult. Only the strongest, both physically and mentally, survived. Major Mohit Sharma passed every challenge and became a proud member of Para Special Forces. During counter-terrorism operations in Kashmir, Major Mohit Sharma undertook an incredibly dangerous mission. He disguised himself as a militant and infiltrated terrorist groups. For months, he lived among them, earning their trust and secretly sending critical intelligence to the Indian Army. Because of the information he provided, several terrorist operations were prevented and many militants were captured. But the risk was enormous. If his true identity had been discovered, escape would have been nearly impossible. On 21 March 2009, intelligence reports revealed that terrorists were hiding in the forest of Kupwara. Major Mohit Sharma led a team of Para Special Forces commandos to eliminate the threat. As the team approached the location, a fierce encounter began. Gunfire erupted from all directions. During the intense battle, 2 soldiers from his team were seriously injured. Despite being under heavy fire, Major Mohit Sharma rescued his wounded comrades and moved them to safety. Even after being critically injured himself, he continued fighting the terrorists. His courage and leadership inspired his entire team. But during the battle, Major Mohit Sharma made the ultimate sacrifice for his country. For his extraordinary bravery and sacrifice, Major Mohit Sharma was posthumously awarded India's highest peacetime gallantry award, the Ashok Chakra. Today, his story continues to inspire soldiers and civilians across India. He showed the world what true courage, leadership, and patriotism looks like. Heroes like Major Mohit Sharma never truly die. They live on in the stories we tell, in the freedom we enjoy, and in the pride of a nation they protected. Major Mohit Sharma gave everything for India, and India will never forget him. Jai Hind. Thank you.